Is Akshay, and this is the demo for my programming assignment 4. This is my working directory, and this is a cache folder which is empty right now. In Firefox, I've set up the proxy settings as localhost and port number. So if I run the proxy server for with 20 seconds as 20 seconds as cache timer and to try to load a file, a page. So here it gets a complete page, and I've also done prefetch. So here you can see it has prefetched all the other links in the page. Okay, so yeah, I've also done caching. So uh, with 20 seconds, I think 20 seconds have been elapsed now. So if I load it again, it will load this from the internet again. So yeah, it says getting file from the internet. So it got the file from the internet in 6,000 CPU clock ticks. If I load it again, it says it got it from the cache and in 316 CPU clock ticks. So considerable speed up. Apart from this, I've also done prefetching. So uh, if I load it again now, so it has prefetched the file, I guess, till now, and if I open it now, you see it said it got the first file from the cache and then rest of the images from the internet. So even in this, no, so if I try to reload it again, it will get the file from the internet since the cache expired, and if I try to load the second, it got the file from the cache again. So within 361 CPU ticks. So my prefetching works, my cache works properly. I can show you the timing if you want. It's I think, but it's difficult. I can't show you the timing, so just a minute. Other than that, I've also done multi-threading and keep alive, so that I can show you through this. I can telnet and send it two commands. You can telnet and send telnet to from two servers, like here, and send the command, and another one telnet and send the command. So it will keep alive for around 10 seconds and then will time out. So timeout, and even this will time out now. Yeah. So it keeps the connection alive for 10 seconds and then times out and then closes the connection. I've also done multi-threading, so two separate threads were there for two separate connections. So that's the. I can show you my code where I've done multi-threading. Uh, Here in this. Yeah, so whenever I accept a connection, I create a thread, and that thread just takes the like handles the connection and passes this command it receives, etc. I've also like made a thread for prefetching. So whenever a file is fetched from the internet, after that you need to parse the file to get all the links and then get all the links actually. So all that is done by another thread and not the same thread that handles the connection. So the web page doesn't have to wait for the thread to close to load the complete page. So that is there. So that's it, I guess. I've shown you most of the things I've done. I can try to load, yeah, this page again, this page for you. You see, and gets the file from the internet. It has a lot of links. So I tried to load it again. It says it got the file from the cache. If I wait for 20 seconds, I think this will get the file from the internet again and prefetch all the links again. So it doesn't prefetch when so it got the file from the internet in 1000 and 6000. So it doesn't prefetch if you load it from the cache. You can see it here. These have been prefetched, but this hasn't been. So I think, and these are the files that have been fetched by the cache.